how to alter and construct a larger and taller niche out of a already prefabricated 12-inch by 20-inch Schluter niche to house and hold your larger and taller bottles of shampoo, conditioner, your Costco style bottles. Now there are a lot of circumstances where a 12-inch height for a niche is not quite tall enough for a large Costco style bottle of shampoo or conditioner. So this is a quick way to alter and construct this again already prefabricated niche to a 16-inch height by a 20-inch length to house these larger sizes of bottles. Let's show you the tools and materials you need for this project. A compound miter saw is the most accurate way to cut the niche in order to alter and construct it. You can also use an oscillating multi-tool or utility blade to make your cuts as well. You will also need a caulking gun as well as an adhesive or sealant such as Curdy Fix or Weedy sealant, a 5-in-1 or a drywall knife to spread and smooth out the adhesive or sealant. Of course, your already prefabricated Schluter niche, 12 by 20 inch or 12 by 28 inch. A roll of Curdy band or Curdy membrane, and yes, we will cut this to size. You can do this with scissors, shears, or a utility knife. 2 Schluter inside corners and 2 Schluter outside corners. A small scrap of 1/2-inch Curdy board. And lastly, a small notched trowel as well as the appropriate thin set mortar. We will first show you how to make the cuts with our compound miter saw, and then show you how to make the cuts with your oscillating multi-tool. Now the goal is to remove this top portion here. And now we cut with our multi-tool. Now it's time to reconstruct. This piece is 4 inches by 21 1/8 of an inch. This will fill the back. Install the top. And lastly, these 2 small pieces here on the left and right side of the niche or niche. The adhesive needs to set up and cure. We then move on to waterproofing with Schluter Curdy or band, as well as inside and outside corners. Okay, the adhesive sealant is cured and dry. You'd be surprised about how rigid this is. After reconstructing it, it is now time to waterproof it with Curdy band, as well as inside and outside corners. So we now waterproof this seam here, as well as the inside and outside corners. Inside corners. finalize with your outside corners. And there you go, modifying a prefabricated 12 by 20 inch Schluter Niche to a 16 inch by 20 inch Schluter Niche to house your very large and tall Costco style bottles of shampoo and conditioner. A very easy modification to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one.